Hello, my name is Michael Driscoll. I am the author of several Python books. I've written Python 101, as well as its follow-up Python 201, and I've written several other books as well about Python. Today I'd like to introduce my latest project, creating applications with wxPython. In this book, we'll be creating really interesting little simple programs that will work across multiple platforms like Mac, Windows, and Linux, using the wxPython GUI toolkit. My plan for this book is to create at least 5 applications, probably closer to 10, that I'll walk you through and show you how to create, and I'll go over each code example in depth. And at the end you'll have a bunch of different applications that you can use on your own and enhance or distribute if you want to, because it's all going to be free and open source. All of my code will be on GitHub, and I'm even going to branch them so that some of the applications are available in their own repositories to make it even more convenient to you. What I would like to do is create the book, and I'm asking you to help fund the initial run of the print copies for this Kickstarter. So far, all of the books that I've done on Kickstarter have worked really, really well. My backers have been pleased, and I think the books have turned out amazing. For this particular book, I'm really looking forward to working with you and getting the best applications that I can written, as well as the best explanatory text for you, so that you will enjoy and learn something new and cool that you can use in your job or just as a hobby. This book is planned to be released in May, but I hope to get it done sooner than that, especially for my backers on Kickstarter. That's about it. I really look forward to working with you. Thank you so much.